Chapter 2. Changes in the world around us. Changes. What comes to your mind when you think of change? A lot of changes keep happening around us. In fact, a lot of changes keep happening within ourselves. Suppose you have a piece of paper. Now, if you tear it into pieces, so does the pieces of paper look exactly similar how it used to be before? No, because now its shape and size has changed. Now, if you burn a piece of paper, what would happen? Earlier, you have a sheet of paper, but after burning, it becomes ash. Here, the ash is in no way similar to sheet of paper in shape, size, color or texture. It completely different. Now, let's know about the various changes that have been classified into the following types. Classification of changes. Natural changes, man-made changes, periodic and non-periodic changes, desirable and undesirable changes, fast and slow changes, reversible and irreversible changes, physical and chemical changes. Natural changes. Changes which takes place by nature are known as natural changes. For example, change in weather, flowering of plants. Man-made changes. The changes that takes place due to activities of man are called man-made changes. For example, burning of fuels, making of chapatis. Periodic changes. The changes that occur after a fixed interval of time are called periodic changes. For example, phenomenon of day and night. Non-periodic changes. Changes that may take place at any time are called non-periodic changes. For example, rusting of iron, breaking of glass. Desirable changes. The changes which are useful to us are called desirable changes. For example, ripening of fruits, drying of clothes. Undesirable changes. The changes which are harmful to us are called undesirable changes. For example, spoiling of food stuff, breaking of a glass. Fast changes. The changes which occur in a short duration of time are called fast changes. For example, burning of a paper. Slow changes. The changes which take longer duration of time for their completion are called slow changes. For example, formation of curd from milk, rusting of iron. Reversible changes. Reversible changes are the changes in which substances can be brought back to their original form after the occurrence of the change. For example, evaporation and sublimation. Irreversible changes. A change is irreversible if the substance cannot be brought back to its original state. For example, burning of paper, breaking of glass, germination of seed, cooking of food, etc. Physical changes. A physical change is the one in which the substance undergoing the change is not destroyed. No new element or compound is formed. Only the color, shape or size of the substance may change. For example, conversion of water into ice and conversion of water into steam are physical changes. Because ice and steam can be converted back into water. Breaking of chalk stick, glowing of an electric bulb are also the examples of physical changes. Chemical changes. A chemical change is the one in which new substances are formed, properties of the substance change, new properties are formed, and change is irreversible. For example, burning of wood. During burning of wood, new substances like ash and smoke are produced. Burning of a candle. When candle is burned, an irreversible chemical change takes place. Because we cannot get back candle from the gas and moisture formed during the burning process. Burning of magnesium. When a piece of magnesium ribbon is heated in a flame, it burns with a dazzling light and produces a white powder of magnesium oxide, which cannot change again into magnesium ribbon.